Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson, we're drawing the Punisher from the Avengers Doomsday. So let's start in the center of the page. We're going to start with the bottom edge of the brow. So let's leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a curve that goes up. And we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up and then out. On the inside, we're just going to curl the brow, coming in and then up towards the top. And then we're going to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Let's start from the outside. Draw a short angle line coming in. Now we're going to follow this curve coming towards the inside of the brow. Do the exact same thing on the right. And then we're going to fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from here, we want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, let's step in. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around towards the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath on the inside. And we'll draw that same size circle on the right, coming down towards the same height. Tuck that up underneath. Now on the top left side of each eye, draw a small circle for highlight. And we just want to line this up on the right, going around and then up. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now that we've drawn the eyes, let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, comes down, and then bend that up. Now step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Let's go back to the nose, step down. We're going to add a curve for the mouth. We're going to go up, and then down. Step down in the middle, draw a short line going across the lower lip. Now I want to wrap the beard underneath that lip. Starting from the left side of the mouth, coming down, just tuck that up underneath. And then from here, we're going to go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start from the outside of the left eye, step out to right here, curve the head coming down, coming in underneath the mouth, and then we'll bend that back up towards the right side. Let's go back to the nose. We're going to draw the edge of the mustache. So on the left side, we're going to step down, and this out, and then down, going around the mouth. Let's go back up to the side of the head, bend this down, and then in. Now from here, we're going to work our way across the hairline. Let's start from the side of the head on the left. We're going to bend this up, go around the eyebrow, and then in. And then from here, bend this out, and then up towards the top of the hairline. Now I want to bend this in on either side, and then down towards the center. Now let's go back to the side of the head. We're going to draw in the ears. So start on the left, we're going to bend this up, come around, and then back in. It's almost like drawing an oval. Let's add a fold across the top. On the left, going up and then down. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Let's draw the top of the hair. From this point, we're going to step down, curve this out, and then hook that in. And we're going to do that on both sides. We're going to add a point, coming down and in with a short line, going up and then in towards the middle. Bend this back down on the left, and curve this all the way across and then over towards the right, and then bend that back down. Let's add a point going up, come all the way across and then down, and then we're just going to close that off. Let's add a bit of texture across the base of the hairline. Starting in the center, bend this out toward the left and then up, step over, draw another one, and one smaller one on the end. Now over on the right, we're going to add 2. Let's close off the side of the head. We're going to start on the left, bend this out, and then pull that in on top of the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the center of the body. We're going to start on the left side, cut the body going out and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's step up and draw another curve for the top of the belt. And then leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw 2 lines, one on the left and one on the right. Now in the center, underneath the chin, we're going to draw the top of the vest. So on the left side, come down from the right, and go straight across. Let's come down halfway down the side of the body, come in, and then we're going to pull this straight down towards the belt. Let's add that skull in the center of the body. On the left side of the collar, bend this out and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Go out with a straight line and then come down. Now we're going to go to the inside, angle this down towards the bottom. Now we want to add those sharp points along the bottom. Go straight up. And we're going to add 2 more points. Come down and then up in the middle. Add 1 more point going towards the right. Now in this area, we're going to add the 2 eyes and the nose. So let's start with the nose. Going down and out. Pull this up and in towards the center. Move over towards the side, draw the eyes. Angle this up and out. Curve this down and back up. Now we're going to go back to the buckle, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Then going back to the left side, let's draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we want to leave a small gap along the inside. Now let's go back up to the hip. We're going to draw the outside of the leg, bend this out and then down on top of the feet. From the top of the foot, let's step up, add a curve to the edge of the boot. Let's add a knee pad in the center. So on the left side, step in, angle this up, go across, and then straight down. We also want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Let's go back to the side of the belt. We're going to add a pouch, going out, down, and then in. And then just up above the pouch, we're going to curve the arm, going out and then down. From the wrist, add a small half circle for the thumb, coming in and out, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So let's start from the bottom of the thumb. I'm going to come down and then bend that up around that bracket. Come down along the side, bend this out and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up, and just tuck that in underneath the head. Now I want to draw the edge of the glove. So from the top of the thumb, bend this up and then out on both sides. Step up and just trace that again. Let's leave a gap, draw the edge of the sleeve with that same curve. And we're going to fold the sleeve on top. So stepping up, again, following that same curve coming in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw the Punisher from the Avengers Doomsday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you enjoy sketch illustration, then come visit our sketch club on School. And right now you can get 7 free days to access all our courses and lessons. I'll leave the link down in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.